This
Hi.
is called a conference call.
Hi. Oh! Oh, no,
What
sorry,
was that,
excuse
for
me,
me
wait,
or for
no,
you?
that was for me.
Okay,
I
sorry.
love you too. Mwah. And do you have one for Dallas?
Oh, that was an awesome one.
Yeah.
I like the mwaha mwaha
Yeah,
mwah.
that was...
Okay.
Hello, Layla. Layla, pay attention, please. Are you listening? No, listen. Layla. Listen. I'm waiting. Okay, I want one of those special kisses too.
Aw, I heard that. That was a special one. Trees at your house. Maybe you should. But maybe you don't have a magic talking tree at your house.